Well, hello, my CCNS family. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy Earth Day. That's why I'm outside today. I'm in my backyard. It's so fun. Let's sing the welcome song. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you today? We want to welcome everybody on this lovely day. When you pass this way, you will hear us say, hello to the trailblazers. We're so glad to see you. Hello to my explorers. We're so glad to see you. Hello to the investigators. We're so glad to see you. Hello to the voyagers. We're so glad to see you. Hello to the adventurers. We're so glad to see you. Hello to the pathfinders. We're so glad to see you. Hello to Miss Annie. We're so glad to see you. Hello to my guitar. We're so glad to see you. And a big mwah to all of you. I hope you're having a fabulous morning. I miss you guys so much. And since it's Wednesday, let's do the Days of the Week song. Let's get our hands together, get them ready. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job, everybody. Isn't it a beautiful day? What a fun way to celebrate Earth Day with our chrysalis check-in. Oh my goodness, it was Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday that our caterpillars have crawled into their chrysalis. Let's take a look at them right now, shall we? Oh, get them up close. Not too much has changed. They're still snug as a bug in a rug. Can you see them? Try to get them nice and close. Still wiggling a little bit and still wrapped up tight in their little close comfort blanket. Wonderful. Well, I was so inspired by Stephanie and Maddie and Terry doing all these wonderful things, and Nikki too, talking about all the wonderful things we can do for Earth Day. What are some things we can do to celebrate Earth Day? That brings me to the letter of the day. Let me give you some clues. I was outside and I found a very round rock. It almost looks like a potato. Do you see how round of a rock that is? Round rock. Then I was outside and I had some leaves left over and I used my rake. A rake. Rake. Has anyone guessed the letter of the day? Round, rock, and rake. I'll give you one last clue. And it's the... Does anybody know what this symbol is? That's right. Do you see the letters? R. That's right. That's our letter of the day, R. To make an R, you first draw a straight line down. This is our capital R. And then you do a little round top and a straight line out, kind of at a diagonal. And then for the lowercase r, you do a straight line down, a little smaller, and then you round off the top. Round off the top. R says R says Every letter makes a sound. R says round, rock, rake. This symbol, who knows what this symbol is? That's right. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Does anyone know what that means? I bet you do. That means we're going to try to reuse things that we have and reduce our waste and recycle what we can't use. Which brings me to a wonderful song that we can all learn called Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. You guys sing along. Reduce, reuse, recycle, it's very easy to do. It's simple to remember. Recycle what you use. Separate glass and paper, separate plastic and tin, then put them in their places in the recycling bin. Plastic with plastic, paper with paper, tin with tin, and glass with glass. Reduce, reuse, recycle, it's very easy to do. It's simple to remember, recycle what you use. Separate glass and paper, separate plastic and tin, then put them in their places in the recycling bin. Good job, everybody. Hey, you know what? What else could we recycle? I was thinking about your little bodies and how they must be growing and growing. And I haven't seen you in a while, so I bet you've gotten a little taller and a little wider. I went to try on something and I said, oh, I think I'll throw on this little jacket. Oh. And sometimes this happens to you guys too. And you put it on and you stretch it. Oh, you try to get your hand in. Oh no. What happened? Did I grow? I think I grew. Oh. Well, I don't think I can wear this anymore. So what could I do? Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's right. Maybe there's somebody a little smaller than me that could use a little jacket. All right. I'm going to put this in my clothing recycle bin. And I can take that to a thrift shop. And somebody might enjoy this nice jacket that's too small for Miss Annie, but might be just right for somebody else. That's a fun way to recycle. Now, I have some more fun things we could do to celebrate Earth Day. I was reading Miss Stephanie's comments on how to grow a potato. I thought that sounds really fun. So she told me to get a glass jar and some toothpicks and a potato. All right, here's my potato. It is different looking than the rocks. There's those eyes that Maddie was talking about. I like the way Maddie was growing potatoes too, in a big tub. That looked fun. All right, so Miss Stephanie told me to poke some toothpicks into my potato about halfway up. Let's see if I can do this how she told me. All right, I kind of turn the potato and move it around. There we go. I got some toothpicks in. It looks like like a rocket ship. All right, let's see if it'll sit on top. Oh, look at that. Halfway in, just like she said. Now she said to fill it up with water. Oh, I have a watering can. Oh, let's see if I fill it up. And then she said to fill it up all the way so it would touch the potato. And then I have to, oh, there it is, all the way to the top. See how it's level with the potato? It's right in the middle. And then tomorrow, if the water has gone down, I'll fill the water back up so it meets that potato again. But this will be a fun experiment. Oh, I can't wait. I'll put that behind me. And one more thing that I thought would be fun to celebrate Earth Day is to plant. I found some shade flowers called begonias. Aren't those pretty? And the first thing I did, it said it liked to be in pots and it likes the shade. And I have lots of shade in my backyard. So I found my little pot here and I put some dirt. Oh, Miss Stephanie was also talking about that soil. Really nice, dark, rich soil. I don't know if you can see that black soil that I got. And I'm going to, I'll just put it right on my lap here. These are bulbs. These kind of flowers have little bulbs, just like an onion has that little top. See, and then the roots are on the bottom. So what I want to do is dig a little bit of a hole. I'm going to dig a little hole. And then I'm gonna make sure a little bit of this, the shoot sits up like Maddie was talking about. All right, I'm gonna do that. Planted it right in there. If you can see that. Nice up close, and just fill it in. And then of course, I will water this and we'll watch that grow. Isn't it fun we have this time to do fun things and celebrate Earth Day? Let's see if you can do something today that would celebrate your Earth Day. Maybe planting? Oh, maybe you could pick up some garbage around your neighborhood on your walk. I know that Maddie was using some gloves and Gemma, and they were picking up some garbage in her family. So maybe that's something you could do to show that you love this beautiful earth. And I'm just so happy to see all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful Earth Day and treasure this beautiful place that we live. And we'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.